Hey guys, it's Becca. Today I'll be showing you how to recreate my red velvet Power Up inspired design. Start off by painting your pinky nail a light blue and all of your other nails white. Use yellow to make half of an oval on the right side of your nail. Paint light green leaves above it and add shading with a darker green. Use gold polish to make a headphone jack over top of the pineapple and then add the body of it in light yellow. Use an orange polish to make 2 vertical and 5 horizontal lines on the pineapple. Add some shading near the top with orange and add some highlights with light yellow. Use a medium blue to make an outline on the white portion of the nail. Add 2 black lines to the headphone jack. Seal in your design with a top coat. Use white polish to divide your nail into 5 triangular sections and then fill the sections in with yellow, purple, green, blue, and red. Turn the yellow section into a pineapple by adding a dark brown outline around the edge and then a lighter brown outline closer to the center. Drag some darker yellow polish from the edge toward the center of the nail for texture. Add some thin white highlights to the yellow area and add some dark brown diamonds to the rind. Lighten the center of the purple section by layering progressively lighter shades of purple. I did this by slowly adding white polish to the original shade of purple polish. Add 2 teardrop-shaped seeds in white. For the kiwi, use a light green to lighten the center of the section, and then use the same green to make thin lines radiating out from the center. Paint between the lines with a darker green polish, and then add little black seeds on top of the darker lines. For the orange, make a white outline near the edge of the section. Fill it in with a light yellow near the center, a dark orange around the edge, and a light orange between the two of them to make the transition less harsh. Use a dark blue to add detail to the sections of the orange, and then repeat with light blue. For the watermelon, add a white outline near the edge and then fill it in with green, leaving some of the white visible. Add seeds with black polish. Seal in your design with a top coat. Outline the nail with gray. Fill in the white area with 5 vertical stripes in yellow, blue, green, purple, and red. Seal in your design with a top coat. Make the outline of some clouds and then fill the area underneath the line in with white. Once dry, use a medium blue to outline the clouds. Seal in your design with a top coat. Use a medium blue to write red velvet on the nail. I realized after I started using this polish that it was too thin for this kind of nail art, which is why the lettering is kind of shaky, but I kept using it because it was the best match color-wise for the red velvet logo. If you're recreating this look, I'd advise just mixing the right shade with acrylic paint so that it's more opaque. Paint the outline of a semicircle above the lettering. Add a martini glass in the center of the nail. Add the outlines of clouds around the glass. Use purple, green, blue, yellow, and red polishes to fill in the glass and the clouds. Seal in your design with a top coat and you're done! All of the products used in this video will be listed in the description below. Thanks for watching!